This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Today we're dealing with a Miele Optima dishwasher that isn't heating up. The water's not getting hot. Might be an F24 error, which is the heater relay that needs to be replaced. Could also be from this part here, which is the heater itself, which is attached to the motor. So this part's a little bit more expensive, a little bit harder to replace. So it's probably wisest to try the cheaper relay first. So we're going to unplug the dishwasher first for safety reasons, and then we just have to get the dishwasher out of the cabinet. On this one there were 4 screws holding it in from the sides. Sometimes there's screws holding it in from the top, so you just want to check to see where you see the screws. Again, this one is just 2 on the left and 2 on the right, and these are just Torx 15 fasteners that come with the Miele dishwasher, and they're part of the installation. Some installers don't use these. Sometimes they just push the dishwasher into the cabinet. Sometimes they install a couple on the top, but in this case there are 4, 2 on each side, so we'll remove those. I'm just going to wiggle it out now toward me. Sometimes you have to lower the legs to get the dishwasher out. This one had enough clearance, so I'm just going to wiggle it out, get it out of the cabinet. The Miele typically gives you enough drain hose and intake hose where you don't have to disconnect them. You do want to turn off the power. So now I'm just going to lay it back on its side. I've already gotten all the water out of the sump by using a turkey baster just to suck out the water. So I'm going to lay it on the side. I did put a towel down because a little bit of water will still come out. Now I'm just removing a couple of screws from the front and then a couple of screws that are located near the rear feet or rear legs. And then I can get this drip pan off. And once the drip pan's off, the heater relay is just sitting right there. So it's super easy to get to. I removed the parts that hold on the kick panel, so I had better access to these front screws. You don't really have to. You can kind of work around that part that holds the kick panel. So just 4 screws holding on the drip pan. You can pull that out of the way. There's our heater relay, upper left-hand corner. And it's just
learn more about them
by a little clip on
and
the right.
Just started really like them.
Push that clip down and slide it toward
for us. It's been a really good dishwasher.
First, though, we're going to
they're so quiet.
Replace the modular connectors. We're going to put them on the new heater relay. So we just pull them off. I pulled off the left one first.
Okay.
The new heater relay, then I pull it off the right side.
Oh, I've heard of that guy.
The middle, because the middle one's a little bit hard to get to unless you remove the left and right. So we got that new relay put in, and now I'm just put the drip pan back in, reconnected the power, and I'm going to push it back into the cabinet and then give it a test. I turned it on, and no more F24. So in our case, it was just the heater relay. Again, it could be the heater element, which you can get at espares.com, and they cost about $95. So we've got this one working again, and turns out it was the easy part, the heater relay. So thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance. Thanks again.